Igbo, I just dey come across this particular video now. Say that man from United States of America, that man, that Yoruba man that is living in United States of America, that asked his community people to buy Ndi Igbo, that the man have been arrested by Donald J. Trump. Hey, hey. The man is about to be deported. Igbo. If you remember, Donald J. Trump said that he can never harbor terrorists in his country, that he can never accept terrorists in his country. My people, they don't catch him. That man will say all his community people to buy any Igbo man will get money, any Igbo man will build house. If you have forgotten, let me remind you. If you remember, within last week, I carried one particular post from Arise News, where they say that a man from Yoruba land said that there is a man in their community that got a land from them, and he built 16 flats in that land. He bought a land and built 16 flats and decided that he was going to rent those 16 flats. He was going to give out those flats to Ndelo choosing. And ever since this man made that particular decision, Yoruba people have not had peace. According to them, they say that he cannot come to their land and come and make decisions for them. Hey, since then, they have been looking for a way. You know, these people created one particular platform. They created a group and used that group and be fighting in Igbo. Like, that group, Webe Hanano, to say anything that they want to say, any plan that they have against Igbo. It was in that same group that this man that they call, what is that his name again? K1LL, whatever. Temi, this man that they call Temi, came out and say, don't they know what they will do? Let me read as the man TikToker. According to parallel facts, US-based Nigerian Temi Okanlon reportedly orders his community people to buy any Igbo person that owns a house in Yoruba land. According to this K1LL, he said, don't they know what they would do? That they should send the person to eternal sleep. They should send that person, that man that have that 16 flats, they should send him to everlasting, to thy kingdom come sleep. You know what it means? By or they should arrange and kidnap him, or they should just tie him. That was the way he said it. My people, I am not shocked to come across one particular video from a very reliable source, from one of our sister, Lizzie. She said that this man, that our people in United States continue to dig until they find out where this man bases. They find out that this man is in US with them. They started writing petition. Until this man, Donald Trump, Donald Trump, now the man is in detention. This man is currently in detention, which means Enwepike is send this man back to home. Hey! Enwepike send this man back to home. This man, you know that Donald J. Trump said that he can never allow any form of terrorism in his country. And that word that he used, buy or send the person to everlasting sleep, to thy kingdom come sleep, that is a terrorism Latin. That is a terrorism statement. These people have captured this man. They have they have paralayaka like this. This man might go and serve. This is because of their hatred. Because of you. That is why these people join their hands together and open a platform. Imagine to the extent of opening a platform. Wickedness on the highest order. Where is Igbo man that will have the time to come and open a platform because of a particular tribe? But these people, Yoruba people, ndo ofe mmanụ. Ndofe Manu, they created a platform where they will be talking about Ndibo, how to chase Ndibo out from their community, how to buy Ndibo, how to scatter Ndibo, how to take their properties. The only reason why these people are pushing Ndibo up and down, left, right, and center is because of their property. If you remember, allegedly, not even allegedly, what Remi Tinubu, the current sitting president, his wife, the interview, not even interview, that thing, I think they were having that conversation and somebody captured it, somebody videoed it and posted it on social media. The way she was saying it with full alacrity from her chest, from inside her heart, from Allah, she was saying it with boldness that they will push Igbo to Lagoon. When they push Igbo to Lagoon, they will take their properties. That is to tell you that the only thing that is making these people angry, the only thing that is causing them to have Ekwuru is because of Igbo people's property. Nothing else. Nothing else. Because of our property, that is why these people, that is why Haji Furon Ta. That is why. Nothing else. Nothing else. Because of Igbo people's property. And this one, they say, don't you know what to do? Buy him. Or send him everlasting or thy kingdom come sleep. Or send kidnappers. Oh, you know, they hire assassin. Send kidnappers to go and kidnap him. So that you will take his property. This Igbo man did not thief that land. He no thief am. He no thief that land. That land, he purchased that land from a Yoruba man. They said the man come to their land. They came to Yoruba land and come and do this and come and buy the land and come and build with his money. No, because government property. That money is the money of that Igbo man. That is his personal sweat. His sweat. His money. He gave you money, you gave him land. He built what he wants, not the federal government of Nigeria, not the state government that built that land. It's his own personal money, his ideology. Everything about that land belonged to him. And he decided he will be giving it to more people. The Lord choosing. He decided to be giving them. It doesn't matter if you are Igbo, it doesn't matter if you are Yoruba, but I think the man is a religious inclined somebody. Maybe on the Anebu Kanishi. He said it's only the people that attend Lord choosing that he will be giving that land. That is the anger of these Yoruba people. They don't want to see that man breathe. They don't want. They don't want to see that man breathe. They just want to make sure that they buy that man. Ndibo. Hey. Do you know my joy this afternoon? My joy is that Donald Trump have catch this man. That is my happiness. Donald Trump have catch him. He don't catch him. He don't catch the man. As he wicked rich, ndị ekwensu jikwara ngwa ọrụ ịhụ ha agacha ha mbọ like this, mbọ witches and wizard. Agacha ha mbọ like this, ọ dịghị ka ha bara uru. Because ihe nje aga ha mbọ ahụ because of their wickedness. Aga ha mbọ ka pussy because of the ekworo na anyofu witches and wizard. Ka egbuo ya, they should send kidnappers. Or they will send him to thy kingdom come. That statement is a terrorist statement. That statement is a statement from the Lakarawa, from the bandits, from the Fulani bandits. That statement belongs to them. That is the statement that was coming out from this Yoruba man. Go and read it. Look at it. That they should buy him or they should send him to their kingdom. My people, this man, Donald Trump, might send him back to Nigeria. They have been supporting Tinubu says, but they are in America. They don't want to stay in the country. They cannot stay in this country that their brother is ruling because they know that the country is hard. But they are inside the country supporting Tinubu. Tinubu must go. Tinubu this. Tinubu must stay in Nigeria. Tinubu will be the next president. Their brother. But they are inside the country. enjoying other people's privilege, enjoying other people's good economy. But they want their brother to stay and continue to make other people to suffer. They want Tinubu to stay in this country so that Ndi Igbo will suffer. Thank God it's not only Ndi Igbo. Their so-called brothers and sisters that are still down here will still be suffering with us. Not only us go to suffer. Even them that are in America, they are suffering it in one way or the other, because if you send money back home for your brothers to use it and do something, if it's something you are supposed to purchase 10 naira, you now purchase it 15 naira. So who is suffering? Everybody is suffering. They are in America saying, their brother will stay, their brother is not going anywhere, looking for how to buy any Igbo man. The God of Igbo people is always working ahead of them. The God of Ndi Igbo is always ahead of these people. Now, Donald Trump don't catch him. He don't hold him like this. You know they go anywhere. As a terrorist, they might send him back or he go jail. You go jail, Ije Kwanga. Ije Kwanga. If you see their brothers, they forgot to talk about that thing that the guy did. No, they don't want to talk about the thing that the boy did. They want to continue to, harass Ndi Igbo that is reacting to the boy's statement. If you see them, they will carry the video of any of our sisters. They will carry it. This boy, this girl is saying that Yoruba people are very wicked. This girl is like you are crazy. They will not talk about the main reason that our sisters, our brothers are reacting. They will not talk about what their brother said. It's good to say, let them buy Ndi Igbo. But it's not good for Ndi Igbo to react. You see, our God is always ahead of them. And Ndi Igbo is everywhere, all over the place. We are all over the place, all over the globe. Now, they don't catch him. If they go jail, if they go Nga, or he go come back Yoruba, come follow us, they enjoy Tinubu. You go enjoy this period. Next time, you will know that statement is the statement of a terrorist.